Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to continue on with our photos on the do's and don'ts. And in this first one, we have a large screen. Speaker set up very, very low. Don't quite understand that. A good rule of thumb that we follow is you take that space below the tweeter and the mid-range driver. That's kind of your center point for your center point of your ear. You draw a straight line from that area to your middle part of your ear. That's a good start point. Now it's going to vary, with radiation patterns of speakers and rooms and all of that, but that's a good start point. And then, just keep moving it around a little bit here, there, change the angle, toe it in, keep it flat, start flat, and then start to work it, toe in, and, just see what works for you. Because remember, you're not only moving the speaker, but you're changing the acoustic dynamic of the room every time you move the speaker. You're changing the direction of reflections and all of that, the balance between direct and reflected energy. There's a lot of things going on here. So left channel too close to the wall, speaker's awful low. Don't really understand that. Let's look at the other picture. So it's a rectangular room. Looks like wood slats on the back wall, much better than drywall. There we go. So we can see the whole setup there. So looks like a small theater system. Room treatment would really improve this room. It's a nice size room, I think. We could get some good sound. He's not put too much energy in it with the size of the speakers. So resolution would be good. But this is an example of a room that would definitely benefit from treatment here. Finally finished. Boy, I can understand that. Let's see what's going on here. Oh my God. What is, speakers are very, very close together. Are they right next to the wall? I can't really tell from the photo. It's more of a photo of gear, I guess, than it is, anything else. So, boy, that's an example of everything, what not to do. Yeah, let's move on to the next one because that's just too bad to even comment on. A few upgrades recently. Let's see what's going on with this one. So we have speakers set up, good. In front of the wall, front of the table, good. Small screen, good. Got a big armoire or something between the speakers. Let's see what the next ones look like. Trying to see the distances from the left and the right channel. Okay, more gear. Love our gear, don't we? Wish we loved our rooms as much as we love our gear. But not bad. Not a bad setup. Looks like, the ottoman probably works as absorption between the speakers. Always a great idea to put your low frequency absorption between that. I don't know how low the ottoman would go. You could look at the depth, probably 12, 15 inches, and figure it out and go from there. But the bottom line is not a bad setup. Room would definitely better benefit from treatment, but probably not, the objective in this case. So let's go back to living room dream. Okay. We have here. So it looks like an unfinished room or just finished with drywall. Driver, low frequency driver in the middle, left and right. Big equipment rack in the middle. We don't understand the reasoning behind that. You would never put something between the speakers and the listening position unless this is just a picture for gear. But you never want to put anything between you and the listening position. That has to be what we call free space. You can't have objects in there that are going to produce reflections. I mean, our goal is to minimize reflections, not create more, right? So this is another look at all of these photos for do's and don'ts. So hope this helps. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.